How's everybody doing, my people? We're gonna play dancing drums. Explosion. There's those kids. Okay. I put a ticket in I had. 88 cents, penny D now. Let's go. Oh, we needed one more in the front for the bonus. Oh, food dogs. Nice, we got the ingots. Oh, we closed the pot too, my people. Wow, just sat down too. So that's a $9 hit, line hit. And then we got this. Let's try something different. Let's go middle. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that's a really good one. Come on. All right, we'll take it. 35, 34. Now let's wants to upgrade me or something. Not bad. We just sat down, my people. Gosh, it's beautiful when that could happen. It's a beautiful thing. Look at that beautiful drum. All right. Gotta press button. 44, 34. Nice. All right, let's continue. Come on now. Flowers? Flowers. Money tree, what the heck? There's a money tree. Come on, bonus. Bonus. Oh, Lord. Did I just say, oh, Lord? That's what my friend Vegas Low Roller says. Ingots. Oh, not bad, not bad. 450. We'll take it. Come on. Ooh, those ingots showing up a lot. Oh, we got it, guys. My people, we got it. We got a bonus. Plus, we got some, hold on. All right, I'm gonna go my favorite 5. We got the doggies on that one too. Doggies, doggies, doggies. Oh, we got the doggies, guys. $96. Holy crap, holy. Wow, that's beautiful. That's the first spin. We have 4 more. We still can get a retrigger too. Wow. Wowza, wowza, wowza. All right, I think I'm gonna press the button. Well, maybe not, it's almost done. It's almost done counting. Let's just watch and enjoy for a little bit. Wow. Beautiful. Oh, I thought I was gonna get a retrigger. Come on, you can do it, retrigger me. It might not. 2 more spins. Let's go. Oh, I should have got it. No retrigger, guys, but what a line hit. Oh my goodness. 109.50. That was amazing. That was amazing. Definitely have to do some backup spins. That was, look at that. Big drum just pounding away. All right. I will press the button. 109.50 on that one. Beautiful. Oh, some coins now. $4, we'll take it. Oh, we almost got the bonus again. Oh, food dogs are right there. Trees, money trees. Ooh, money tree, $6. Nice. Come on now. Oh, food dogs. Oh, bonus. Oh, we did get the coins over $4. $4.60. Thank you. Wow. This machine's hot right now. Look at that. We got the ingots. $6. Couple boats. Oh, we needed the drum in the front. Ingots? All right. Coins? Not bad, not bad. Oh, ingot. Oh, food dogs. Darn it, there's the boats. Didn't get them though. Coins, didn't get it. Drum, didn't get it. Got some money trees. Oh, there's the golden drum. There it is again. Give it to me with the other two though. Ooh, money trees. $6.75. Nice. There we go. Boats, boats. Oh, we're missing a boat. Oh, that's a special symbol too. All right. Need that on the bonus. Come on, the boats are right there. Ouch. Sorry, my hand was hurting. It's like melted onto my camera there. All right. Oh, food dogs. I thought you were lining up. There's some boats. $3. We'll take it. Oh, we needed a boat on the second line. Food dogs. Oh my goodness. Magical drum. All right, $4. Coins, or were you? Drummies. Oh my goodness. My goodness. Come on, where you at? Oh, there's that special drum again. All right, some coins. This is my drum in front. My goodness, look at that. All those boats, and I needed a drum in the second line and didn't get it. Come on, let's go, bonus. Where you at? Almost. Oh, I think my machine just got cold. It's got ice in the veins right now. Come on. Oh, that could have been really good. Come on, do it. Put your back into. Oh, there's that special drum again. Darn it. All right, some trees. Missing my drum again. Ooh, 3 of those wilds. All right, 210. All right, let's keep this going. Come on. Oh my goodness, I needed some boats. All right, some coins, $4. We'll take $4 all day, every day. Come on now. Come on, one more bonus. What the heck? Look at all those food dogs, damn it. All right, some coins. Come on, bonus. Oh, my heart. Oh my goodness. There it was. And if we had that special oh my. All right. That was a week ba-boom. A week gone. There's that special gold one. Come on now. All right, $8. That was a good hit. Oh, that was it. Come on. Food Dogs. There's that special drum again, damn it. Why don't you come up when they're in a row? Come on, come up like that. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of coins. Food Dogs, Food Dogs. Oh, we needed one more. All right, $4. Those Food Dogs really pay good, guys. All right, a couple more, I think, and that's it. Come on, do it. Oh, why? You should have done it. Bonus, where are you at? There you are. Oh, almost. Come on now. We're doing so good. Fight the power. Darn it. Come on now. Don't make me regret staying. There it was, and it didn't give it to me. Three more spins. Again. And again. All right, my people, I'm going to try one more machine. One more game. I'll be right back. All right, I came over to Timberwolf Triple Power. Let's see if it can give me the power. Penny Denom. 80 cents. There we go. Come on. All right, let's go. Come on, let's keep this party rocking rolling. One more. Oh, we got it, guys. We got 4 of them. Wow, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. I said it went this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think you get extra for 4 of them, but you do get $8. Okay, you get. Oh, wait a minute. We got the jacks too. All right. Let's go. We're at $10. There we go. 12 free games. Let's go. Timberwolf Gold. Do it. Nothing on that one. All right, come on. There's a wolf. One wolfie. Two wolfies. Four wolfies. We need to hit something though. Oh, there we go. There we go. Not yet. Oh, 5 times. Come on, 5 times. Oh, 5 times, 3 times. We got it, guys. Look at, we got the deer 3 times. The deer. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go. Here we go. Here we go. We got it. Yes, sirree. We got it. Five times, 3 times, no matter what you get, it's amazing. Let's press it and see what we have. We're at 23, 24, 25. Staying alive. All right, I'm pressing it, people. $54, and we're still on our bonus. Oh, we're missing the front wolfie. Wolfie, where's your wolfie at? Oh, there's 5 times though. Come on. Nothing, guys. We didn't line nothing up with that 5 times. Shame on you. All right, we got some wolfies though. We're at $64. That's pretty good. Two more spins, wolfie. Come on. Oh, my wolfie. Last spin. Times. Okay, we gotta go again. Come on. Oh, we didn't get anything on that last spin. Terrible, terrible.
Terrible?
But we got $65. That's good. Okay. All right, let's continue this party. See if we can get something else. Here we go. Some deer, some deer. Oh dear. Come on. We got some deer. There's a wolfie. All right, the old man and some deer. Oh, we needed the one in the front for the bonus. Like that. We needed that one. All right, double pop. No double pop. All right, some bear. Bears. Some 10s. $2. Nice. Some old timer. Some deer. Oh, we got the cabins. No? Not yet. Some kings. Come on, baby. Some reindeers. Or deers. I just saw it grow. One more. Ah. Alright, we got some kings. Wolfie. No wolves. Oh, we needed one in the front. Cabins, no kings, no none. There it was, right there. All right, some nines. Oh, that was a good hit. 425. No cabins. Wolfie. Darn Wolfie. Almost. How about now? I guess not. Wolfie. Darn. That metal one grew more. There was a bonus. Should have gave it to me. Some deer. Some wolfie. Got some kings on that. $1.25. Some bears. Some deers. Come on, give me all three. Darn it, we needed one right there. Hot damn in a frying pan, guys. Come on, one more bonus. We got it, the Timberwolf Gold again. Which is pretty amazing because it wasn't even filled up all the way. Okay, we will take it. 12 free games. We did good last time. Let's do good again. Come on. There we go. Some wolfies. We got to get the 3 times, 5 times again. That would be amazing. Oh my goodness, we need one in front. All right, we got one gold wolf. Two gold wolves, 3 gold wolves. One more. 3 times. Ooh, we needed the 5 times right here. That would have been good. All right. Maybe next spin. There's a 5 times. Come on now, hit something good, something good. Oh, wait a minute, we got... I didn't see the wolfies there. That's good. All right, keep it going, keep it going. Come on, come on. Three times, five times, let's do it. I know you can do it, I know you can do it. Oh. Excuse me, guys, that was my straw. Another golden wolfie. We need something better than that. Last spin. Come on, do something. $13 only, my people. But we're not going to complain. We'll do a couple backups and call it a day. Three more spins. Oh, that could have been a bonus. Darn it. Two more spins. Last spin. Here we go. Again, it could have been a bonus. All right, my people. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you all. And we'll see you on the next video.